iṣẹ́ tó ń ṣe ni máa ń hit láyé mi.
Lákọ̀ọ́lẹ̀ ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa gẹ́gẹ́ bí ìtẹ̀síwájú ẹ̀kọ́ wa ẹ̀kọ́ Yorùbá tó ní ìbáṣepọ̀ àwọn ènìyàn. This is Yoruba class for social interaction. It is very important that we know the essence of this class. We're learning Yoruba, simple Yoruba words and forming sentences to be able to interact with people, especially for non-Yoruba speaking individuals. And those Yoruba that are struggling to speak and use some Yoruba words to form sentences. Today, we're going to TAANI. TAANI means who. What am I going to be TAANI ìwọ? Who are you? TAANI ọkùnrin yẹn. Who is that man? Ọkùnrin is man. TAANI is who. Yẹn is that. Who is that man? The next thing is TAANI obìnrin. You remember in our last class we mentioned obìnrin is a woman, a female. Who is that girl or who is that woman? Maybe you're sitting or you're talking with a lady and your dad was passing by, and when you got home your dad was saying TAANI obìnrin tó ń bá sọ̀rọ̀ yẹn. Who is that woman you were talking to? TAANI ọmọ yẹn. Maybe you're holding somebody's child and somebody asks you, whose child is that? Ọmọ wo nìyẹn? Who is that child? TAANI ọmọ yẹn. Who is that child? TAANI bàbá rẹ. You found yourself in your family house and then you've not been there before and you met another person and say, ilé wa ni mo wá síbí, mi ò tí wá s'agbolé rí o. Wọ́n sì sọ fún mi pé agbolé wa ni ibi. The elderly one will ask you, first in TAANI bàbá rẹ? Who is your father? And they say, bàbá mi ni Gbàdámọ́sí. Okay, Gbàdámọ́sí ni bàbá rẹ. Táwa ni ìyá rẹ? Who is your mother? Now say, ìyá mi ni Ṣìfàáwù. Sọ́mọ Ṣìfàáwù rè. Ìkúlẹ̀ àlọ́ ẹ̀ kí n wálé. TAANI ìyá rẹ. Other words to be used is that TAANI àbúrò rẹ. Use TAANI underline. Àbúrò means your junior one. TAANI àbúrò rẹ can be a junior sister, and that will call TAANI àbúrò rẹ obìnrin. When you say junior brother, TAANI àbúrò rẹ ọkùnrin. When you say ẹ̀gbọ́n, TAANI ẹ̀gbọ́n rẹ. Ẹ̀gbọ́n rẹ could be ẹ̀gbọ́n rẹ obìnrin àbí ẹ̀gbọ́n rẹ ọkùnrin. And when you're going to answer them, for example, TAANI ìwọ. Orúkọ mi ni Táyé ọmọ Àríbídésí. You have answered that. So we're going to move on to answering those questions with time. But you need to know how to answer the question. And when the question is being asked, you should know what the person is saying. TAANI. Let's go again. TAANI ìwọ. TAANI ọkùnrin yẹn. TAANI obìnrin yẹn. TAANI ọmọ yẹn. TAANI bàbá rẹ. TAANI ìyá rẹ. TAANI àbúrò rẹ obìnrin. TAANI àbúrò rẹ ọkùnrin. TAANI ẹ̀gbọ́n rẹ ọkùnrin àbí TAANI ẹ̀gbọ́n rẹ obìnrin. Lẹ́yìn ni wọ́n dé tí wọ́n dúró lẹ́ni nílò lọ ẹja tó lọ tí ó dìsàlẹ̀ omi nílò lọ kọ̀ǹkọ̀ tó dọ̀ tí ò lárẹ̀ odò. Táyé lolú lèmi jẹ́ ọmọ àjẹrà bí onígèrè ọmọ kò bẹja nígèrè ó bá kiri jẹ́. Kò bẹja légèrè ó tún gèrè ṣe. Ọmọ agbọ́n lèmi ọmọ agbọ̀n ìgbọ̀n tó jù mẹ́ṣin lẹ́yìn àwọn tó ìjẹsìn ní kòrò ojú kò. Ọmọ yìí kò dìde ojú ogun ọba tó lọ. Ogun ọkọ ọmọ ní kòrò ìjọ ọmọ yìí dìran. Ogun àjàdẹ ìbọn ló mọ́ kò ìwò mi. Ogun ojoojúmọ́. Lola, don't mind this. This is a eulogy of my family house. Thank you very much. See you next time. Double.